Alright, today I'm replacing a vacuum line that goes from the brake booster to an intake on the motor. This is a e320 w210. Here's the old part. Ugh! Other people have, you can see the end of it got broken off. I temporarily taped it. This part goes through the part of this chassis and just is a press fit here. Okay, it comes with this little boot area. So here's the new part, and it's just a press fit situation. Got this part as an OEM part through OEMBenzParts.com, I believe, which is out of Littleton, Colorado. Been happy with their service so far. And just gotta fish this guy right through here. So it goes like this. This part goes. Actually, I'm really hesitant to disconnect anything on this car, but I am gonna disconnect that because I can't really fish around it. Okay, and this goes just, there's that. Thanks. Okay, so this boot goes like this, and this, you can see it's got this goes through this guy right here. I wasn't really sure when I found that mine was damaged what I was going to be getting as the connector. Okay, so that's like that. Now this goes like, this is where I have to kind of bend it around. It's hard plastic. It's not really a regular vacuum line per se. Okay, so I want to get this like that. Okay. So that makes sense that that's kind of like there. Now this is just going to go right into there. And that just goes straight in. Let's see. Yep. That looks right. So actually it doesn't even have, it just has like a, it doesn't snap in or anything. It just kind of goes like that. So, interesting. Why is that not? It seems like that's how it goes. Okay. So that appears to be it. I'm going to double check that though. It doesn't really seem like it snaps. It just seems like it just slides in and just stays in like that. Yeah, it doesn't, there's no like fitting or anything. Unless, yeah, I think that's how it goes. Seems right. All right.